Okay, I'm back with a pretty quick video. This is just going to be a quick update to a video I put out a few months ago on the saddle brown iPhone 12 Pro leather case from Apple. And this is just going to be an update to see how the leather is aged. And I've gotten the saddle brown case, as I said in that video, for basically every iPhone. I get it every single year. And I like that it darkens over time. So this year, Apple changed the design a little bit and went back to the flat edges. So just wanted to show how the case itself has done, being different and not having those curved edges from the previous saddle brown cases. And for my case itself, I haven't really dropped it on concrete or anything like that. It did fall a few times from like my bed to a hardwood floor, which is maybe about 2 feet only. And it hasn't damaged the case at all, and my phone has been fine as well. And to me, the case, I think, has been aging pretty well. The leather has darkened nicely and pretty consistently also. Now, I don't have, an unopened new saddle brown case to compare it to, but just comparing videos that I have from before and also the photos that I've taken before of the case, I am pretty happy with how the patina is developing. Now, I do use the Magsafe duo charger by my bedside. I don't use the puck. I have wireless chargers, regular Qi chargers for that. So pretty much every night I do put it on the charger, and in a few months' time, the Magsafe has left a very slight impression, which you can see in the light over here, a ring around the Apple logo where the Magsafe dock connects. But it's not an eyesore, and aesthetically I think it actually kind of looks kind of nice. It accents it. The case is darkening a little bit on the edges. Let me see if I can get that onto the camera. That'll be a little hard to show, but there's some darkness on the edge here and the edge here where the phone typically rests in my palm. I use my left hand mostly to use the phone. And same thing with the front edges. There's some I don't want to say discoloration, patina over here on this corner and on this corner, and none really on the top, maybe a tiny bit over here. But the case has held up really well over time, over the last few months. It does have a few divots here. There's like one here and one here, and that is it. It feels nice and grippy, and as always, it is basically my favorite case. I haven't found any differences that I noticed from the previous leather cases in terms of the leather quality, and I like it. And that's just a maybe 3 or 4 month update. I want to say about 4 months since I put out that previous video to show how the case has aged. I do use an Apple leather wallet, the black one that I have here, Magsafe wallet, and it stays on the phone, I want to say maybe around 50% of the time. I don't always have it on. It adds a little bit of bulk. It feels nice in there, and it adds some weight. But when I'm typically at my desk in the office, I like having this off and leaving it off there. And as you can see over there, I've also had no issue with grip. But I think I'll do a little separate video updating on the Magsafe wallet. So that's it. That's the saddle brown leather case and how it's aged and patina over time. Overall, I still think it's a win. It's still my favorite case. I do have a few other cases that I rarely use. I have the silicone in deep navy. I ended up returning the plum that I had before, and this case I'm just not a fan of. It picks up some grime, like you can see over here, and doesn't really look clean, and just don't like it as much. I do use it occasionally when I go on a hike, and this is a case, a frosted white case with these nice metallic buttons that I got from Alibaba for about $7. It has no Magsafe capability, as you can see over here. And this case I don't think I've actually used yet. I can't remember. If I have, then maybe it was just once to go out. But because I do use the Magsafe wallet and Magsafe accessories, I'll use the saddle brown case 99% of the time, and then maybe here and there when I've gone on 1 or 2 hikes, I've switched over to this one. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.